So welcome to video lecture series on programming in C and data structure. So this is continuation of what we have seen in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, I gave an introduction about the looping statement. We have seen about sentinel loops. We have seen about entry control loops and exit control loops. We have seen the difference between those two also. So today we will see about various looping statements. First, let me start with the while statement. So this while statement is simplest of all the looping structures in C program. So since it is an entry control loop, the basic format of while statement is like, so it starts with the keyword while and inside parenthesis you will give the test condition. If this test condition is satisfied, body of the loop following the while statement will be executed. So as I said before, this while is an entry control loop. The test condition is evaluated and if the condition is true, only then the body of the loop will be executed. After the body of the loop is executed, this test condition will be checked once again. Since this is a loop, this will repeatedly executed until the test condition is false, right? So the test condition will be checked once again, and if it is true, the body of the loop is executed again. This process is repeated until the test condition is false, and once it is false, the test control will be transferred out of the loop. On exit, the program continues with the statement immediately after the body of the loop. So after the body of the loop, whatever the statement is given will be executed, uh, provided the test condition is false. Body of the loop may have one or more statement. It is not mandatory that we need to give only one statement inside the body of the loop. Multiple statements, or we can also include any functions, or we can include any control statements, or we can include some loops inside the body of the loop. So this body of the loop is not a single statement. Uh, it is a multiple statement. So let us see one example for while statement. Here I want to print the numbers from the starting from 1 to 5. So I'm initializing the control variable I is equal to 1, and the condition that I need to check is I is less than or equal to 5, because I want to print the value still 5. So I'm checking I is less than or equal to 5. So until this condition is satisfied, this I value will be printed, and once the value is printed, I have to increment I to the next variable. Sorry, next value. Only then the next value will be printed. So initially I is equal to 1 is less than or equal to 5, condition is true. So 1 is printed. Next I value is incremented. Now I is equal to 2. Again the condition will be checked since it is a loop. 2 is less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Now 2 is printed. Now I value is incremented to 3. Now again the condition is checked. 3 is less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Now 3 is printed. Now I value is incremented to 4. Now again the condition is checked. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. 4 is printed and I value is incremented to 5. Now check. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. So 5 is printed. Again I value is incremented. Now I is equal to 6. Now check the condition. 6 is less than or equal to 5. Condition is false. So the control will not be transferred inside the body of the loop. Rather, it is transferred outside the body of the loop. So outside the body of the loop, we have written 0 statement. So the program will eventually be terminated. So the output will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, after which no numbers will be printed. Since since the condition is false, no other numbers will be printed. So similarly, there is one more example given in the right hand side where I want to print consecutive starts. So you can try this out at your home. Sequence of stars is being printed. So for x equal to 0, 1 star is printed. For x equal to 1, 2 star is printed 2 times, and for x is equal to 2, star is printed 3 times. For x equal to 3, star is printed 4 times, and for x equal to 4, star is printed 5 times, and for x equal to 5, uh, the program is exit. So hope you understood the execution of while statement with an example. Two examples are explained. One is to print the values from 1 to 5. Other one is to print the sequence of stars. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, like that. So these two programs are well explained with the help of while statement. So let me give a quick recap. While statement is a entry control loop. So initially only if the condition given inside the while statement is satisfied, the body of the loop will be executed. If it is not satisfied, body of the loop will not be executed. So in the next lecture series, we will see about do-while statement. So do-while statement is an exit control loop. So initially the body of the loop will be executed once before checking the condition. Clear? So next video lecture, we will see about the exit control loop. Hope you understood this session. Thanks for watching.